Hey there, Casey here, and welcome to Home Cooking. I got a question for you guys today. Have you eaten more chicken than you thought you ever would in your life? Well, I am telling you, in my house, chicken is like a staple. When you can't think of anything else, guess what you eat? Chicken. I was getting kind of worried that if my kids open up their mouths to cough, they'll cough for feathers. They don't seem to care, but I'm thinking that, hey, maybe I should switch it up a little. So I go out to the grocery store, and what do I end up getting? Chicken. But this time, I came up with one of the best baked chicken recipes that I think my family has ever tasted. They love it. And I am telling you, this chicken is so flavorful, so moist, it's just so tantalizing to the taste buds. Oh yeah. And also, the skin on this chicken is crisp, almost like you haven't fried without all of the calories. I am telling you, I don't know whether I like baked chicken now better than I like fried chicken. And guess what else? Because we're family and I love all of you, I am going to share this secret with you. And guess how you're going to find out how to do it. Come on. You're going to stay tuned.
Grab a bit of this and a dash of that. Mix it up with love. That's home cooking.
Okay, we have our Lowry seasoned salt. A little KC's blessing, and it really is coming at you real soon, I promise. Some butter that makes all things better. Black pepper, Sazon, a little cooking spray. I have some bacon fat, but you can use olive oil if you like. I got onion, bell pepper, and their friend rosemary. And some clean, dried chicken thighs for the taking. Now I'm going to come on over here and I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Lay out a piece of foil to cover my counter and get these chicken thighs rubbed up one side with that bacon fat and down the other. Now I'm going to take my Casey's blessing, and you can use whatever seasoning you have on hand. That is, until Casey's blessing is available, you need to run right out and get it. I'm going to make it rain with that Casey's blessing. I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Lowry seasoned salt, low sodium of course. Sprinkle that over all that chicken. Yes, I am. I'm going to follow that up with some Sazon, but I'm going to put my Sazon in a salt shaker because I want to make sure that every piece of that chicken has been kissed with what? Sazon. I'm going to follow this up with a little bit of black pepper, and once that's all done, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip it over and do all those seasonings on that side. And if your chicken don't look like this with all the seasoning on it, you don't have enough. Now I got 2 foil pans because I couldn't find one that was big enough for all this meat. I got it in the pan. I got my Trinity girls, their friend rosemary, and of course, butter that makes all things better. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some foil on both of these pans, but I'm not going to seal it all the way around, as you see. I need to leave the sides loose so air can circulate while it's in that oven. You want to get this meat in the oven. You're going to close up your dough, and guess how long you're going to cook it? I say for about an hour. And I am here to tell you, when you open up this oven after an hour, what you're going to see is going to blow your mind. You're going to see a little something like this. Ooh, I can't tell you, that looks real good right there. But I'm not finished, because for those of us that like the skin on our chicken to be a little more crisp, this is what you do. I want you to turn your oven on 500 or to broil. And then I want you to get that chicken, take the foil off, put it in the oven, let it crisp up for about 2 minutes on one side, flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, bring it out, and do what? Plate that puppy up. Ooh. And when you do, ooh, look at the seasonings. Look at those juices. Oh, I gotta get a little taste. Mmm. 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 It's so good. It is so good. I cannot tell you how delicious this is. I want you to be the judge. If you like this video, and I'm sure you will, hit the like button. Please remember to ring that notification bell so you will always know when I'm coming at you with a new video. And as always, subscribe. And until next time, you know what I wish you. A little love, peace, and a whole lot of joy. I'ma see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.
That's home cooking. That's